we're at Fluffy's. Lucifer is here. He did not hiss at me as I topped off the water dish. It still had water in it. There was still a little bit of dry food. Now there's more dry food. Fluffy's eating her treats. Very quickly. And just got her last one. Okay. Get going. Yeah, they're all gone. We have a great blue heron walking the hillside towards the top of the hill. Sort of between where the Last Word Ranch is and Whispering Hills Ranch is. Definitely on the hunt. He's hunting, and I don't know if he's going to catch anything, but we're heading on. He's way up
there. At the east end of Alviso Adobe Park, red-tailed hawk perched up in a tree. Based on the size and the coloring, I do believe this is the female of the bonded pair that make their nest over on Eurydius Ranch Court. The pattern on its back almost threw me off. It's similar to the checkerboard pattern that's on the back of a red shoulder hawk.
Okie dokies. We have our red-tailed hawks on the tree in the back area of Alviso Adobe Park. One female, one male. The male would be the dark morph. But I'm not sure. Wait a minute. Well, there are two hawks. I'm not sure dark morph is one of them. Anyway, two red-tailed hawks. I believe the one on the left is the dark morph and the one on the right is the female because she's bigger. She's got her, yeah, she's got her back to us. Well, he does too. Anyway. up there enjoying the morning.
And on the hillside behind Calvary Assembly Church, there's a vulture. It's been walking around on the ground for a while. I had to retrieve the camera first. On the small screen, I can't tell if this is a juvenile or adult. And also some small bird up on top of the gazebo. It's a common perch spot for predatory birds, as big as red-tailed hawks and as small as the little merlins and kestrels. I can't really tell what I've got there.
Thì con gì đó?
Đừng nghe.
Tê đừng tê.
A great blue heron up on the hillside. He had been closer to Whispering Hills Ranch, but they have two black dogs, siblings, that chased it, and it took flight, and now it's over closer to the Last Word Ranch, where the dogs are not. He's not hunting at the moment. Now he is. Did you hear something or see something? Okay. Happy hunting there, Heron. Wish you success. We have some turkey vultures in the area because further north on the road, past where Fluffy's area is, we have a dead skunk in the road. And they're waiting for an opportunity to get to it.
One of the turkey vultures moved closer to the Great Blue Heron. The heron didn't get aggressive, just kind of, there we go. Just a bit of interaction. Got a little Buick's ran on the fence top right by Fluffy's feet. Well, it's gone now.
Back at Fluffy's. He was waiting for us. Since we didn't see Collie today, Jay has a little bit extra cat food that he's going to put down on the dish. She's busy eating her treats. We're across the street from Fluffy's area and well, we're at Fluffy's area and across the street on the hillside, I should put it. We have that same Great Blue Heron. Oh, he got something. Yes, he did. Congrats, congrats. I think he got a gopher. He's happy. It's still alive, but he will take care of that. Okie dokes. Breakfast. Very good. Way to go there, buddy. Hey, I don't have him. He does. That's one. That's two.